first steps, we're gonna chop the garlic. Chop lang natin na maliliit yung garlic, so we call it mince, and then we cut our onion into a small cubes. You can use red onion, white or yellow onion, it's your choice. And then we peel the potato. You can use peeler if you want, but I have peeler, but I'm comfortable with the knife. Just slice it into small cubes, the potato. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prepare all my vegetables and before I start to cook, so it's easily for me. Now I'm gonna peel the carrots. I use only 1 piece carrots. It's big, but if it's small, use 2. So it's big, I use only 1. So slice lang natin yung carrots into a small dice. Well, it's your choice, guys. If you want a big dice or and then green bell pepper, same thing. Well, it's possible you can slice your all vegetables as you can, same size, so it's look presentable. Now I'm going to cut the pork. I'm using a pork shoulder, and then I'm going to slice into cubes. Just only around 750 grams or 3.5 pounds, something like that. So it's good if there's a little bit fatty, and then I slice the liver, pork liver, into small cubes. And then that's all my ingredients. Check the recipe. If you wanna follow my recipe, just check it out. So and now I'm gonna start to cook. So I just heat my wok or my shallow pan, add around 4 cups of oil, because I'm gonna half fry my potato. Now I'm gonna have fried my potato. I will fry just around 4 to 5 minutes, not fully cooked, just to make it light brown, so crispy. And that part, we're gonna add my carrots. I just deep fry my carrots just for around 2 minutes. So it's not really fully cooked, and that's it. I'm gonna remove the carrots and the potato, just drain the excess oil. That's and then set aside, and I deep fry the pork liver. Just fry the pork liver around 5 minutes using high pressure or high fire, and then I'm going to set aside. Drain the excess oil. Now the same shallow pan I clean, and then I add around 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use canola oil, vegetables oil, it's up to you. I saute the onion for about 30 seconds or until the smell is come out or the aromas come out. Then I add garlic. Now I'm going to add sliced pork, and then I'm gonna toast or gonna sear it, the pork, just to make it light brown probably. If you don't know how to toast, just stir it. But for me, I can do it by toasting. I add around 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Just stir for a while until the fat is surrender. Still using the high heat or the high flame, then cover for about 5 minutes, and then add a Sprite around 1 cup of Sprite. Well, if you don't have a Sprite, you can add sugar and water. And now I'm gonna add the tomato sauce, or you can use ketchup if you want. Well, ketchup is same, it's tomato sauce too. Then let it well. We add our pork flavor, which is we fry, half fry. Just continuous cooking until the pork is soft or tender. Then I add the potato fried and the carrots, and then continuously cooking for about 8 minutes. We add red sausage. I slice the red sausage or hot dog, green beans, and bell pepper mix, red and green. Then we mix it all together. Haluin lang natin. Yan. Continuously cooking for about 5 minutes. Just to cook the vegetables and also to reduce the sauce. So it's almost done. So you have a delicious pork menudo. It's a special pork menudo. So that's it, guys. Look at that. I'm so excited. I'm crave right now. For sure, you need a lot of rice. Well, it's your choice. You can do also mashed potato or vegetables, or you can use bread. But traditionally in our country, Filipino food, we're eating with rice, with this kind of dish. Well, you already have potato on it, you have carrots, so even you're not eating with rice, it's fine. There is a vegetable already. So that's all, guys. My special pork menudo is done. Look at that. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. God bless you all. And please, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more videos updates. Thank you. Have a great day.